In this video, we are going to see how to create a Notes app. Let's create a project. Select iOS app and name it as Notes app, and interface is SwiftUI, and create a project. So now we are going to design home screen and notes detail screen. First we are going to design home screen. So first we are going to create a view to handle a empty notes list. For that we are going to create a content unavailable view and give label for it. So we have created a label for it and given the description and creating action. So now in the content view we are going to include navigation stack, because we are going to navigate from home screen to notes detail screen. So we are going to include navigation stack. And inside the navigation stack we are going to include empty state. Just we have created. I am going to give navigation title for it. I am going to give a toolbar. Going to add a toolbar item inside the toolbar. So we have added a button inside the toolbar item, and I'm going to give navigation destination for the navigation stack. So now I am going to set a flag state so when the flag is set to true, it will navigate to the next screen. So I am going to give the parameter to the navigation destination. So let's run the first screen. So we can see here we have a create button and title, and we have handled the empty nodes list. Now I am going to design the nodes detail screen. For that I am going to create a new class. Naming it as nodes detail view. So we are going to get two information from the user. One is title and another one is content. For title I am going to create text field. For title I am going to store in a variable title. Giving the font, giving the horizontal padding and top. Now I am going to give the divider and padding for the divider. So I am going to create a variable for content. I am giving the padding. So going to give navigation title for it. And giving the toolbar. Adding toolbar item for it. And giving the position. Adding button inside the toolbar item. So in the home screen, I am going to set the flag as true. As already we have discussed that whenever flag is set to true, the new view will be pushed into the navigation stack. So I am going to run the project. So this is the home screen. I am going to click the create button. So here is we have to give detail screen inside navigation destination. And it is asking to give the parameter. So for that I am going to initialize the variables. I am giving the default value for title and content. So now I am running the project. So I am clicking the create button Now we can see it went to the notes detail screen, and we have back button and title and save button and text field and text editor for content. So next video we will see how to create a note. Thanks for watching.